And here we go, because another, look at this, $1 billion USDT was just minted at Tether Treasury today, right? Which supposedly says, hey, in the next 3 days, maybe T minus 3 days, guys, we're going to see another pump occur. Not only with XRP, hopefully, but with Bitcoin and everything, guys, going up, right? Again, it seems like, I don't know, guys, but mainly in today's video, it's going to be about XRP and how I've been seeing a lot of FUD and people calling for a dump. Will we see it? Will we not? I don't know. But 600 million USDC was transferred from an unknown wallet to an exchange, OKX, which says, hey, to buy more crypto. I wonder what they're going to buy with this much money. XRP? Possibly. But again, it seems like liquidity is about to enter, guys. A large amount of that. Justin, Coinbase now allows users to purchase cryptocurrency with Apple Pay. What? Right? So just getting more, this is diabolical, guys. It seems like, yes, the herd is coming. Retail FOMO incoming. Right? Again, it seems like the liquidity paths are being opened up for who to come into play. Us, we the people, which says one thing: the retail who come in, guys, don't buy Bitcoin. Why? Because it's quote unquote old, right? It's the grandpa coin, guys. Not much ROI. They want fast and easy and quick money. Where will they go to? Exactly, altcoins. More specifically, XRP. Why XRP? Because it's literally everywhere. I've been seeing on TikTok, on YouTube, guys, on Twitter, right? Everyone's talking about XRP. So now people are going to FOMO into XRP, and this is why I don't think we'll see a dump. Okay, and XRP's personality is bamboo personality, guys, which says, hey, we're going to keep pumping. Not to mention, it's altcoin season officially. It has officially begun, guys. I repeat, altcoin season has begun. Bitcoin is going to take a break, right? It may go up and whatnot or stabilize, but altcoins are going to outperform Bitcoin to a higher degree, to a higher pace. Why? Check this out. Alt season is above 75%. When 75% of coins performed better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days. We are officially in altcoin season territory, which says, hey, altcoin season doesn't last for years or months, right? Maybe for months, but it doesn't go on for too long, right? If all these times, guys, that we have been in alt season, it lasts weeks to months max, right? Depending, I guess. But again, probably months max, guys. So I truly am ready. Wow, look at this. HBAR, XLM, and XRP, top 3, right? Doge is literally behind XRP. XRP is a meme coin, guys, and XRP is what? A top 3 coin, and it's acting like a meme coin. Your market cap theory, it has to be thrown in the garbage at this point in time. And this is why we're going to keep pumping, because people are shorting. It's crazy, guys. I don't know why people do this to themselves, right? And they think they're going to try to catch a top or a bottom, right? We for a fact, well, we are literally called bottom and top catchers, and I'm not seeing anything that says XRP is going to top anytime soon. I'm actually seeing no, it's going to pump. Why? Because of the money. All I'm seeing is liquidity flowing in heavily, and this is crazy. The momentum is staying up here, guys, right? So Ape says he shorted $5.1 million of XRP. He's in a large short position, guys. Okay, he entered at $2.40. Right now, XRP is at $2.72.9. Now, he's panicking because XRP has went way above, guys, and he doubled down. He's now net short $33 million, right? So, wow. He just hates XRP now, right? This is what happens, guys, because people don't realize the personality of XRP. Do you guys want to? I don't want to pull a chart right now. Actually, let me pull you guys a chart. So check this out, guys. Okay, XRP has what? Bamboo personality, right? XRP has bamboo personality. So I wouldn't bet against XRP right now, guys, right? I would not bet against XRP right now, because when XRP pumps, how does it pump, right? Look, straight line up, and people think, hey, I'm going to catch the top right here and ride it down. No, you're not, right? XRP will kill everything on its path, guys, right? In its path. So do not do anything foolish at this point in time. That's all I'm saying. Now, I don't know why there has been a lot of FUD attacks against XRP, right, toward XRP, because XRP, the banker's coin, exposed, right? He says it's not decentralized freedom or anything aligned with the ethos of Bitcoin. That's false, because I'm literally running from X0. I'm literally running a validator freely and participate like hundreds of other nodes. Educate yourself, because the Bitcoin community deserves better, right? Exactly. There are a lot of, it's basically decentralized, guys, right? The ledger. There isn't an entity that has all the power of the votes. Now, XRP isn't here to just flip Bitcoin. That's small talk, right? The reason why people hate XRP, guys, is because it flipped Bitcoin that's once upon a time, right? And it's going to do it again. But we're not here to flip only Bitcoin. We're here to flip the world, right? Global transfer market, nostril bank accounts. Look at the markets. Look at the market size, right? 27 trillion, 2.7 quadrillion dollars. That's why they're scared. So this is what just happened with the XRP ledger is actually a good sign. Justin, the XRP ledger network is officially congested, right? Associated with higher volume than usual, a clear signal that the ecosystem is absolutely exploding. What does this mean? Well, you got it. It means that XRP needs to be at a higher price, right? For liquidity to flow through, guys. It cannot be dirt cheap. Yep, it got to be at a higher price. That's what they all stated. David Short stated the same thing, right? For it to efficiently work. XRP ledger reserves just dropped. Activating an XRP account costs now 1 XRP. Wow. Holding a token trust line only 0.2 XRP, guys. This is crazy, right? Excessive XRP is now freed up in your account that you can spend now. Look at that, right? So things are looking very beautiful indeed, guys. This is insanity. This just means because XRP's price went higher, guys, right? So things look very positive indeed. Now, this is why ISO 20022 compliant cryptocurrencies will be the most valuable assets in the entire market. Look what's coming, guys. Making a Ripple XRP cryptocurrencies participating in the ISO payment ecosystem for international transactions. Until recently, the ISO payment system precluded cryptocurrencies from participating. The release of the digital token identifier standard transformed that, allowing cryptocurrencies to be recognized as legitimate currency under the ISO system. Cryptocurrencies accepted in the ISO payment system will gain the ability to be utilized in international transactions between financial institutions. Right? ISO recognized cryptocurrencies will achieve higher trading volumes. Exactly. They're targeting, or we are targeting, a new financial system, guys. I'm not here for dollars, right? For chump change. Though this will happen, and it's happening right now. Listen very carefully.
Okay, listen up and pay attention. Because today, if I wake up and Bitcoin, Sol, and Ethereum is down, and XRP is up, I'm going to start to panic. Because what that means is that we're in a Category 5 super vortex flipping pump. Meaning XRP is taking the market share off these majors to pump, and they're going down. If that happens, it's going to cause complete pandemonium. So I'm seriously praying that I wake up and things are just kind of chilled and normal. Because if that's not the case, this is going to get crazy. It's going to get insane. It's going to get nasty. And XRP is going to Mars. And there's nothing anybody can do about it. I'll see you at 589 bucks, folks.
Come on, guys. Right? So XRP on this chart looks beautiful, guys. The target is $4. Right? I've been seeing a lot of $3 to $4 price predictions coming into play. And it's looking quite well. What's crazy is spot CVD is soaring, guys, which means there are genuine buyers right now. Right? And futures is actually going down because people keep shorting. This reminded me of 2017. XRP volume came from Upbit, the Korean exchange. Look at that. It seems like the Koreans are buying hefty amounts, right? This reminds me of 2017 because that's what happened back then. It was called the kimchi premium, right? On their exchanges, on Korean or some type of exchanges, guys, on a few different exchanges, the price of XRP was a lot higher than on different exchanges, right? Asia is very bullish on XRP and they love it. Why? Because this is what's going to happen to XRP. This is Tesla's chart. This is XRP's chart. Do you guys see a resemblance? The same exact pattern is repeating, right? Remember, but Tesla is a stock, which means XRP is very volatile, right? So whatever Tesla did, multiply that by 10, okay? So it's looking quite well for XRP, probably hundreds of dollars incoming. I'm not even joking. I'm pretty sure we're still early, guys, but people wouldn't realize it, right? This is how XRP moves. I wouldn't do anything crazy right now or stupid, guys, right? Stay in, not financial advice, but you guys can do whatever. The pattern has been repeated. Look at that, right? So things are looking amazing, guys, at this point in time. Will we see a dump? I don't know. It's actually, I'm seeing money flowing in, guys, right? It is getting risky to buy XRP at these levels, but still, it could be at these red levels for some time. Look at this, right? And price can just explode. So we'll see. I've been seeing a lot of people call for a dump. What if it doesn't happen? Interesting, isn't it? Which means a lot of people get left behind, and they have to chase higher. Chase prices higher. That's what I would do if I was a market maker. Not financial advice. Let's see what happens next. I'm super bullish, so. What is that, Sophie's Masons? See ya.